Be ready. Start. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure in welcoming you all to the 28th annual general meeting of your company. The director's report and the audited account for the year ended 31st March 2016 have been with you for some time, and with your permission, I take them as read. During the year under review, the Indian economy has been witnessing major liberalization measures in all the sectors, and many regulations have been removed, paving the way for entry of many companies into the capital market. Full convertibility of rupee on current account has been allowed, and foreign exchange reserves have peaked to new levels. Due to the pragmatic steps taken by the government, the inflation rate has come down to single digit figure. The interbank leading rates have come down, and the bank leading rates have been reduced from 23% to 16 to 21%. There is a handsome growth in industrial growth rate. Indian economy is now looked up to by leaders with renewed confidence, and lot of multinationals are joining hands for joint ventures in India. Foreign financial institutions have entered into the Indian capital market in a big way. The year has been an excellent year, with majority of companies declaring record growth and profits. This has a tailing effect on the share prices, with sensitive index of all major stock exchanges touching new height in recent times, which unlike last year is purely performance based. All these have brought in greater competition in all the sectors, especially in the financial service sector, but simultaneously due to expansion and growth in the industrial units and capital markets, scope of financial services companies and merchant bankers will increase tremendously. The construction project of Gulf Manor at Bangalore is in the last stage of completion, and possession is likely to be handed over in January next. Though it is our maiden venture, we succeeded in completing the project well within the time schedule. The fact that a good number of the flats in the multi-storied apartment have been taken by Hindustan Lever and Brookbond Lipton India Limited shows the high standard quality construction and its acceptability. I am glad to inform you that this multi-core project has been financed by the company through its internal adjustment only. Therefore, additional funds involving very substantial amount will be realized from the sale proceeds of these flats, as a result of which the profitability for current year will also improve remarkably. Negotiations are in an advanced stages for taking up to more construction projects at Bangalore for leading cooperative clients. The merchant banking operations of your company have been more than satisfactory. Within a short period of 14 months only, the company obtained Category 1 merchant banking license. It has handled 12 issues as lead manager and has been associated in 42 issues as co-manager advisors and underwritten more than 100 issues. Though there was a manifold increase in the number of merchant bankers, your company could maintain its high position in the market. Stop.